Everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today we are continuing with our Russian Word of the Day video series with day number 26. Today we are going to learn the word for apple.
Яблоко. Яблоко.
Яблоко. Яблоко. Again, since these are both it's яблоко, right? Okay, so this word should be pronounced, if you said all the O as long O's, then it would be яблоко. But because the emphasis is on the first syllable of this word, it becomes яблоко instead of яблоко. Яблоко. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Until then, get curious and start digging.
Яблоко. Яблоко.